Namaste. Today we will do some more problems from exercise 5.2. First question. For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17 are equal? Here it is given two APs. So first we will write it down. First AP is 63, 65, 67, etc. And the other one 3, 10, 17, etc. So this is infinite AP, it is continuing there, but at some term both have equal terms. If here we have 70, here also we will get 170, that is equal terms are there, and we have to find out which term of these APs are equal. Consider first AP. In that A1, that is first term, equal to 63. Now we can find the common difference from this. 65 minus 63. D equal to 65 minus 63, that is 2. Here we don't know the nth term. So we are writing here an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is an equal to, here a is 63 plus n minus 1 is the, d is 2. Let us distribute this 2 to two terms inside the bracket. So it becomes an equal to 63 plus 2 into n, 2n, minus 2 into 1, 2. Negative 1 into 2 is negative 2. Here 63 minus 2, both are number parts, that is numerical value, so you can do the operation. Here you can't do the operation with this because this is having a variable. Here it is just numbers, so 63 minus 2 is 61. So we can write an equal to 61 plus 2n. This is the first equation. Now similarly, let us consider second AP. From first AP, we got an equal to 61 plus 2n, that is equation number 1. Now considering second AP, here a1 equal to 3, difference is 10 minus 3, that is 7. Now considering an, that is nth term, we can write a1 plus n minus 1 into d, that is a1 is here 3 plus n minus 1 into d is 7. Now distribute the 7 to these two terms. It becomes 3 plus 7 into n, 7n, 7 into minus 1, minus 7. Now 3 minus 7, an equal to minus 4 plus 7n. This is second equation. From first AP we got this equation and from second AP we got this equation. Now it is given in the question the nth term of this AP and nth term of second AP are equal. That is, both these equations are equal. Nth term are equal. So we will write this part as equal. 61 plus 2n equal to minus 4 plus 7n. Now take all n terms to one side and number parts to other side. It becomes here 61, negative 4 taking to the side, plus 4 equal to, here we have 7n, plus 2n taken to that side, it becomes minus 2n. 61 plus 4 is 65 equal to 7n minus 2n, 5n. Now keep n here, take this 5 to this side. 65 division 5 equal to n, that is 65 division 5 is 13. We got the value of 13. That means 13th term of this AP and 13th term of this AP will be same value. Here nth term, we are considering nth term because we don't know the particular term, but we know they are equal to each other. So we done the operations and got the value for n, that is 13. So we can conclude both APs are equal at 13th term. Next question. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Here we are talking about third term, seventh term and fifth term. And one more hint is given. Seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Here difference is 12. Now here it is given third term is 16. So first we will write that in this AP, A3 equal to 16. That is 16 equal to, how will you write? A plus n minus 1. This is third term. So here n is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 into d. We don't know the value of d. 16 equal to a plus 2d. Let this be first equation. Now considering the next two cases, seventh term, how will you write a7? Again a7 equal to a plus 7 minus 1, 6d, and fifth term a5 equal to a plus 5 minus 1, 4d. These two terms difference is 12. So a plus 6d minus a plus 4d, don't forget to put the bracket, equal to 12. If you are not writing a bracket here, the whole answer will become wrong. So be sure you are putting a bracket. Now open this negative, that is distribute negative to two terms in this bracket. So it becomes a plus 6d minus a minus 4d equal to 12. Now consider same terms, a minus a, it get cancelled. 6d minus 4d, 2d equal to 12. Now d equal to 12 by 2 equal to 6. Difference is 6. Now substitute the value of 6 in this equation, that is first equation. We got the value of d from considering these two terms, that is 7th term and 5th term. You got the value for d. Now substitute that d in third term. Now this becomes 16 equal to a plus 2 into d is here 6. So 16 equal to a plus 12. 16 minus 12 equal to a. 12 taken to the side. 16 minus 12 is 4. The value of a is 4. That is first term is 4. So how will you write the AP here? First term is 4. We know the difference is 6. So to get the next term, 4 plus 6, 10. The next term, 10 plus 6, 16. Plus 6, 22. This is the AP. Next question. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 253. That is, we have to find 20th term. Now, the AP is 3, 8, 13, etc. up to 253. This is the last term. From this, you have to find the 20th term. Here, we can find the difference. D equal to 8 minus 3 equal to 5. Now A1, first term is 3. AM, that is last term is 253. So in the question it is mentioned that we have to consider the last term and find the 20th term. If you are considering the first term, the difference will be a positive value because you are subtracting this number from this value. You got 5. Now we have to consider the last term. So first we will write it here. Now this next value will be 248 because here the difference is 5. Now next will be 243 etc. up to 83. Now how will you find the new difference? Again, the succeeding number. From the succeeding number you have to subtract the preceding number. Don't subtract like this. Don't consider big or small number. Just consider succeeding number and preceding number. That is the method. So succeeding number is here 248 minus preceding number 253. This become plus and here sign changes. Now smaller number subtracted from bigger number and put the sign of bigger number. That is negative 5. So you got the new D when you consider the last term as first. Now we have to find the 20th term because in the question it is given you have to consider 253 and from that you have to find the 20th term. Not from here 20th term, we have to consider this one and 20th term from the last term. So 1, 2, 3 backward we have to find the 20th term. So here A20 equal to first term will be 253 plus n is 20, 20 minus 1, 19 into d is here negative 5. While you are considering from the back side, that is from the last term, here d is negative 5. While you are considering from first term, you will get the D as positive 5. So don't be confused. Here in the question itself it is given you have to find the 20th term from the last term, not from the first term. That is why we write it in the reverse. Now A20 equal to 19 into negative 5, the result is 95 minus 95. Here we have 253. A20 equal to 253 minus 95, that is 158. So 20th term from the last term is 158. Next question. The sum of 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24 and sum of 6th and 10th term is 44. Find the first three terms of the AP. So first you have to find the AP. Then only you can write three terms of that AP. So here the conditions are 4th and 8th terms sum is equal to 24 and 6th plus 10th term sum is 44. Here this is not the value, this is the position. In this position we have some other number and that number plus this position's number, the result is 44. So here A4, from first condition A4 equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is A plus 4 minus 1 is 3D. And here 8th term means A8 equal to A plus 7D. Here their sum is 24. So A plus 3D plus A plus 7D equal to 24. A plus A, 2A plus 3D plus 7D, 10D equal to 24. This is first equation. If you want to reduce this, you can reduce it to lower form. That is here in 2, 10 and 24 we have 2 as the common factor. So dividing with a 2, we will get 2 division 2 is 1A, 10 division 2 is 5D and 24 division 2 is 12. Be sure you are dividing with each and every term in the equation. Then only it will get balanced. If these two terms have 2 as the common factor, if it is not a multiple of 2, then you can't divide the whole equation with 2. Here we divided because each and every terms were multiples of 2. So reducing it to lower form, we get 1A plus 5D equal to 12. Now considering the next condition, that is 6th term plus 10th term equal to 44. 6th term we can write it like this, that is A plus 6 minus 1D is 5D plus, here it becomes A plus 9D equal to 44. A and A, 2A plus 9 plus 5D, 14D equal to 44. Again all are multiples of 2. Dividing with 2, you will get new equation, that is A plus 7D equal to 22. Now here it is multiple of 2, but you can't divide the whole equation with 2 because here this is not a multiple of 2. So this is the second equation. Now from these two equations you have to eliminate any of the variable using elimination method. Then you will get the value of D. So we will do that. A plus 5D equal to 12 minus A plus 7D equal to 22. Subtraction changes to addition. Change the signs of next equation. A and negative A get cancelled. 5 plus minus 7D is minus 2D. Here 12 plus minus 22 minus 10. Now here on both sides we have a negative, so we can multiply it with negative and make it as positive. Now this becomes 2D equal to 10 because negative into negative 2D, positive 2D. Negative into negative 10, positive 10. D, value of D is 10. This 2 taken to the RHS, it becomes denominator. 10 division 2 is 5. The value of D is 5. So let us consider this first equation. A plus 5D equal to 12. This is the first equation. Now substituting the value of D in that, we will get the value for A. A plus 5 into D is here 5 equal to 12. That is A plus 25 equal to 12. A equal to 12 minus 25. A equal to negative become addition and change the sign here. Then smaller number subtracted from bigger number and put the sign of bigger number. A equal to minus 13. So how will you write the AP? We have difference 5 and first term as negative 13. So negative 13 comma negative 13 plus 5 is negative 8. Negative 8 plus 5, the other term, that is negative 3. We are asked to find the first three terms of this AP. This is first term, second term and third term. Because we got the D and first term. Then it is easy for us to find the other two terms. Next question. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? So here in this AP, first term is his first salary. When he joined, he got 5,000 as annual salary. So this is the first term. This is A1. Now, after first year, increment was 200 in each year. So second term will be 5, 200. Third term will be 5, 400, etc. Now you have to find in which year did his income reach rupees 7,000. That is AN. We don't know the position, but in that position we have 7,000. We have to find the position. That is, we have to find N. So here we will write AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. And here AN is 7,000 equal to first term is 5,000 plus N minus 1. Here N we don't know. So N minus 1 into D is here 200. Now 7,000. 5,000 is taken to the side. So minus 5,000 equal to N minus 1 into 200. 7,000 minus 5,000 is 2,000 equal to N minus 1. This 200 is outside the bracket, so you can take it to the other side of equal. So it goes to denominator. Zeros are cancelled. 20 division 2 is 10. That is N minus 1 equal to 10. N equal to 10. Negative 1 taken to that side plus 1. N equal to 11. So 11th year, the salary will be 7,000. Here N is the position of this value and the position is 11. Position 11 means it is 11th year. 11th year we got 7,000 as salary. So which is that year? For that we will write 11 terms. 1995 is the starting year. 1996, 1997, 1998, 1999, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5th year. Now 2000, 6th year. 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11th year is 2005. Here don't forget to consider this as the first year. Don't count from this. That is, don't start counting from this one because this is the first year. So from there you have to start counting. This is the 11th year and here we have 7,000 as the salary. Next question. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly saving by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly savings become 20.75, find n. So here difference is 1.75. The first week he saved or she saved rupees 5, that is A1 equal to 5 and difference is 1.75 and which is AN, that is the value we know 20.75 but we don't know the position. Which position or which term we will get 20.75 if she is adding 1.75 weekly to this amount. Here AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 20.75 equal to A is 5 plus N we don't know into D is here 1.75. Now taking this 5 to the side, 20.75 minus 5. Here 0.75 carry down. Don't write 5 here. 5 is a whole number, so write it here. This is decimal part. 20 minus 5 is 15. 15.75 equal to n minus 1 into 1.75. Now take this 1.75 to the side, it goes to denominator. Now we have decimal division. So you have to cancel the decimals in denominator. Here after decimal we have two numbers. So you have to multiply with 100 in denominator and 100 in numerator. Only consider number of digits after decimal in denominator. If here we have two decimals, then you have to multiply with 100. If it was 3 decimal, then you will multiply with 1000. Don't want to consider here. Let a decimal be there. If it was 175, then also you have to multiply with 100 because here there are only two numbers. Don't consider the number of digits in numerator. Just consider number of digits in denominator to cancel the decimal. So here both are equal. So after multiplying with 100, we have no decimal in numerator part and denominator part. It becomes like this. 1575 division 175. After dividing, that is cancelling with 5, I will do the cancellation here. 1575 division 175. Now consider 5. Both are multiples of 5 because ending with digit 5. So 5 3s are 15. In 7, 1 5s are 5. Balance 2. 5 5s are 25. Here 3 5s are 15. Balance 2. 5 5s are 25. Now in 315 and 35 we have again 5 as the common factor. 7 5s are 35. Here in 31, 6 5s are 30. Balance 1. This becomes 15. 5 3s are 50. 63 by 7. 63 is a multiple of 7. So 63 division 7 is 7. 9s are 63. The value is here 9 equal to n minus 1. So take this minus 1 to this part. So it becomes 9 plus 1 equal to n. That is value of n is 10. So in which term she gets 20.75? In 10th term, the value will be 20.75.